Feel the sparks igniting inside my veins, chasing shadows in the darkness of the night.